Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the Google Workspace Bard extension. Right, so one of the most underrated Google Bard extension is the Google Workspace extensions. So as you can see, we have Google Flights, Google Hotels, Google Maps and YouTube, and I'm sure that Google will add more, and maybe third-party developers will also have access to Google Bard extensions, and they're going to be able to launch extensions using third-party tools. But now one of the best extension is the Google Workspace extension. Why? Because with Google Workspace you can upload any files to your Google Drive and use the data and the content of those files to be able to interact with your PDF documents, with research papers, with annual reports, summarize ebooks, books, anything else. So how to use the Google Workspace Chrome extension? All you have to do is open up Google Bard, and it's absolutely free to use, by the way, and click on the extensions icon. And by default, all of these extensions are turned on and enabled. The only exception is Google Workspace. You have to make sure that this is turned on. And when you turn it on, you also have to connect your Google Workspace and your Google Bard account. Basically, you have to allow Google Bard to parse your documents and your emails. So this is why there is one more step you have to take. But once the Google Workspace is connected, now you can interact with your Google Drive folder files and your Gmail account and with your Google Docs documents inside Google Bard. So let me demonstrate how to use Google Workspace with an example. So I've opened up my Google Drive folder, and all I had to do is go to a folder. It can be any folder, and I clicked on New and selected File Upload and uploaded this PDF document called Top 12 YouTube Tools. It's basically a free ebook I wrote on the best YouTube tools you can use to grow your YouTube channel and make more money from your YouTube business. Just to show you, this is the ebook. It's a 20-page ebook. As you can see, I recommend using TubeBuddy for keyword research, InVideo for video editing, Canva for doing web design, for stock footage database, 𝐅𝐵.io, an affiliate marketing database, and so on and so forth. So this is the ebook I have uploaded. So this is the PDF I have uploaded here. And now we can go back to Google Bard and ask a question about this file. So let's go back to the chat interface, click on New Chat, and let's say we want to summarize this PDF document. I have added the prompt, summarize the file in my Google Drive folder of 10 YouTube Tools ebook. So you don't have to add that, you have to use the Google Workspace extension. You don't have to add the exact file name. As you can see, I've just added 12 YouTube Tools ebook, and I also added Google Drive folders, but you don't have to add the specific folder that the file is in. Of course, if you have similar files in multiple folders, make sure that you are specific with your query. But only know once you have added your prompt, click on Submit here, and let's see what Google Bard will come up with. So as you can see, now Google Workspace is activated, but we have to be more precise with the file name. So let's check it out. Yeah, because as you can see, my prompt was not accurate enough. So as you can see, I added my Google Drive folder called 12 YouTube Tools ebook. So I corrected the prompt, summarized the file in my Google Drive, which is a PDF titled Top 12 YouTube Tools ROI Hacks. Now let's update it, and now I'm sure that Google Workspace will find the right PDF file and it will be able to summarize the content of that PDF file. And here we go. As you can see, if you scroll down, you can see that it has found the right PDF file, which I want Google Bard to summarize. So as you can see, it has summarized the PDF document. So it's TubeBuddy Keyword Explorer, InVideo, Canva, 𝐅𝐵.io, Sendinblue. So these are really the tools I wrote about in the ebook. So as you can see, there are a ton of opportunities and use cases that you have, and you can use Google Workspace extensions for. You can also use it to summarize Gmail emails if you get a lot of emails and you want to get a summary of those emails and use the power of Google Bard with the power of Google Workspace. There's a ton of opportunity here. If you want to learn more about other use cases, I have other tutorials on my YouTube channel on Google Bard extensions, so make sure to check them out, and more AI tutorials are coming up, so make sure to subscribe.